Hello RiverWalk community and welcome back. Hard to believe it's February. We're in the middle of Massachusetts vacation week and it's crazy up here, but we love it. I'm standing right now in a penthouse on the 4th floor. I wanted to show this to you very quickly so you can see where we stand with some of the units. The floors are in, the carpet's down, we've got countertops in the sinks in the kitchens, lighting's going in the living room areas. A lot has happened, so much to share, and I'm just gonna show it to you as we walk on down to see the new Rhythm Tap and Grill restaurant as promised last month. Here we go. As we expand the resort, we know there's a need for more dining options. So we've taken the opportunity to partner with Rhythm Cider, which is brewed on site to create the Rhythm Tap and Grill. It's an upscale American-style eatery featuring steaks and seafood and burgers and all the good stuff you want to have after a long day in the outdoors. We've partnered with a local metalworking organization called Horsepower Farm, who's creating an unbelievable work of art for us that I'm not going to say too much more on because I want to surprise everybody when they walk in. It's going to be hard to miss. It's about 125 seats, indoor, outdoor. The balcony is overlooking the pool and the White Mountains. The bar that's inside has windows that open directly to that balcony, so whether you're inside or outside, you've got full service and everything you need right there. Can't tell you how excited we are to have this in phase 2 and to show everybody what we have for hospitality here at RiverWalk. We're only a couple months away, the light's at the end of the tunnel. I know we've got a lot of work to do, but stick with us. We'll see you soon. Let's go check out Rhythm Tap and Grill.